Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nandita Gusai Barthwal from Kailash Hospital, Sector 27, Noida. Today I will be telling you about the preconception counseling. So preconception counseling is basically a guidance given to the couple on all aspects of planning and preparing to ensure a very smooth pregnancy and a healthy baby. It is also important if this is not your first pregnancy, especially if the couple has had a poor outcome in the previous attempts. Mother's health and the nutritional intake affects the growth and development of the baby, and the main features being the body mass index, the nutritional balance status and lifestyle. So here we proactively prepare the body for the smooth pregnancy and address if there are any risk factors at all. So coming to body mass index, the ideal body mass index of course is between 19 and 24. If the woman is having low body mass index, that is less than 19, then there are more chances of her having a low birth weight child and a preterm deliveries. And a woman with a more body mass index, that is more than 24, coming into the category of obese, then there are chances of her having a diabetes or blood pressure or even the complications associated with the overweight. So here we need to address our body mass index. Now the nutritional aspect, vitamin B9 or the folic acid as we commonly know is very important and vital in preventing any congenital anomalies of the baby. It prevents the neural tube defects and development of the brain. So a small dose of folic acid, that is 0.5 milligram, which is given 3 months prior to pregnancy, goes a long way in preventing any neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Now here again calcium and vitamin D3 are very important for the musculoskeletal development of the baby, and in most of the cases the women are deficient in vitamin D3. So vitamin D3 also forms a very important vital supplement. The other minerals include iodine. Iodine is found in fortified salts. The other mineral is the iron. It is very important in formation of the hemoglobin, and it helps in carrying oxygen from the lungs to the other part of the body, and hence it becomes a very vital element. And in India, anemia is seen rampantly in even rural and urban women. So it is important to assess iron status. The dose may need to be titrated according to the requirement. Here again, during the preconceptional visit, the doctor will screen you for any infections such as hepatitis, rubella or any other STDs. And screening will also be done to screen for diabetes and hypertension. Diabetes, if an uncontrolled blood sugar, is a major cause of malformations in the baby. So it is important to screen to optimize your blood sugar before one goes into planning the pregnancy. It is also important to detect and counsel regarding genetic diseases such as thalassemia, sickle cell and G6PD deficiencies, which the patient or which the person may not be aware about. Third, coming to the lifestyle modification, it is important then we modify our lifestyle. Sometimes a lady is too much into gardening, and so she has to be very careful that she should wear gloves so that she does not get any infection from the manure or from the soil. And with pets at home, it is important that the excreta of the pet is managed meticulously so that she doesn't get any other infections such as toxoplasmosis. Here smoking should be avoided altogether, as well as drinking. So summing it up, it is very important that we maintain our body mass index, have a nutritional diet, have supplements, that is very importantly folic acid, for at least 3 months prior to conception. Treat any of the deficiencies, treat any of the diseases that we have. Third and lastly and very important, if a woman is already on medication for certain ailments such as diabetes or blood pressure or epilepsy or hypothyroidism, altogether medication may require to be changed, or the dosage may require to be monitored according to the needs. So summing it up here, we need to have a good preconception counseling so that we have a good outcome in our pregnancy and a healthy baby. Thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.